You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. The top word is the noun, pronounced as function. Both British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Function, a ch, sh sound. Function, stress on the first syllable. Function. The corresponding adjective is functional. Functional. Top word again, listen carefully and remember. Function, functional. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.